CONDOR XC Mini automatic key cutting machine. Three-dimensional minimalism design. Transparent safety protective shield. Patented rotating column design suitable for multi-key lengths and blades. Independent anchor ports for cutter and detection probe. Building intelligent automatic calibration delivers precision. Ultra-strong aluminum alloy die casting with superior texture. Modulated components for easy disassembly and maintenance. GMG CNC processing.